all the talk of what's in the sky. There are over 5,000 sightings of drone-looking things in the skies in the states of Pennsylvania, New York, Maryland, New Jersey, California. They're all over now. And everyone is wondering what they are. What is it? Why? So, what is in the skies and why? What is in the skies and why? Oh God, here we go. What is in the skies and why? Okay. Now we're gonna set it up. I am thinking aliens, extraterrestrial, otherworldly, unknown, cosmic. And this is what's going on. There's an unknown cosmic event, something going on in the sky that's unknown, we don't know about. Everybody's been in their heads about like what it is, you know, why. Eight of Swords is like restrictive, you know, closed-mindedness. Maybe people are dead set on something that's evil, or perhaps this is saying this is connected to devilish things. You know, this is the devil. Oh my God, I can't. Look at the strings. The strings attached to the devil. The strings attached to the star. This is this healing. And then what's next? Robots in reverse. With the Four of Wands and the Two of Cups. So it's as if there's maybe a division. There's a division between people, or perhaps something has to come apart so something else can come together. They're celebrating, or maybe we're celebrating this separation. Automation, and this is in reverse. Mechanism, precision, artificial intelligence, and it's in reverse. So this is not artificial intelligence. It's as if it's like a real machine. Strings attached. It's like a kite. It's like flying a kite. Let's see what the tarot says. Yeah, this is causing a shakeup, but perhaps this is groundbreaking. Well, it is groundbreaking news. Now, the first trio we have is this King of Swords high in the sky, this intellectual judge, very logical, with the wheel, and the Eight of Wands. So this is communication technology and everything. And this is the launch of the wheels in the sky. And this is like logic. So these are like cars, like mobiles with wheels in the sky. This is like flying cars. Flying cars, look. This is the substitute with, look at all these wheels. There's no substitute or replacement. There's no replacement for what's given. But look, there's the car. There's the replacement for the cars, but it's in the sky. There's no replacement for, look, the wheels in the sky. This is a car, but this is like a flying car. And then we have honor, loyalty in reverse, katana, warrior. With the blessing, because it's the vampire in reverse. Some kind of blessing with the 7 of wands. So disloyalty is a blessing that we shouldn't fight, or that we're not fighting. Looking towards the future. And this is the Giant's realm. But it's in reverse. Towering strength, mythical. So it's nothing mythical. It is people from here. It's the government. It's the government. Yeah, it is. It's these cars. We're not thinking or meditating, perhaps to meditate on this, because the lack of focus. This is a change of events too, so this could change. It's almost as if the judge, you know, what's logical is, there's a whole bunch of logical explanations, but this is like out of the worldly. Perhaps it's just logical explanation that it's wheel technology in the sky. And this is this launch off, and that's what they're doing. They're practicing it. They're practicing blessings from the future. And that's why they're not telling us. But yeah. So, flying cars. Flying cars. And they're practicing how to fly them. And as we all see, they work. Cars are flying. Let me know in the comments where you're from, and if you have seen any mini cars flying around your skies. Oh, and yes, if you have yet to subscribe, please do. I'm ClairV. If you'd like to become a member of our crew, you could do that as well. The information's in the description box. Love y'all.